Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync files in OneDrive. First, make sure the OneDrive application is installed on your computer and you are signed in with your Microsoft account. You will typically find the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray or taskbar. Click on this icon, then navigate to the Settings menu. This is your starting point for managing all your file synchronization preferences and ensuring everything is set up correctly for seamless cloud integration. Next, within the OneDrive settings window, click on the Account tab. Here, you will see an option labeled Choose Folders. Clicking this will open a new dialog box displaying all the folders currently stored in your OneDrive cloud. Carefully review this list and select only the folders you want to have a local copy of on your computer. This helps manage your local storage effectively, ensuring you only download what you truly need. Once you have selected your folders, it is important to understand the sync status icons. A solid green circle with a white checkmark means the file or folder is fully synced and available on your device. A blue cloud icon indicates that the file is online only, meaning it is stored in the cloud and does not take up local disk space until you open it. This visual feedback helps you quickly assess the status of your files. For more advanced control, leverage the Files on Demand feature to optimize your local storage. You can right-click on any file or folder in your OneDrive directory to change its sync status, making it always keep on this device or free up space. If you encounter any synchronization issues, a common first step is to reset OneDrive through its settings or simply ensure your internet connection is stable. These steps usually resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.